can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue the pattern pieces with a sticky tape. Choose 4 ways stretchy fabric. Add seam allowance while cutting. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut to front pieces. Mirror the pattern. Fold and sew top edges of front. Mirror back details. Mirror bottom back details. Sew side seams of sleeves. Fold and sew all horizontal back seams. I sew it with flat seamer. You can also use zigzag stitch. Pin or hand stitch both front parts together. Pin together back parts. And sew neckline of back part. It's easier to make it now while front and back is not connected. Sewing the neckline. Sew front and back parts together. Top and bottom parts should overlap a bit on side seams. Sew side seams and shoulder seams. Sew sleeves into the armholes. Finish the bottom of the sleeves. Finish the bottom edges. Add clasp on the bottom. Good luck on your project!